Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. Today, I will discuss your third chapter, how much to carry. Okay, today from page number 22 from Math Magic book, we will start the story, and I will explain you. In the previous class, you have seen, okay, on the slidings, this and all. If that is heavy, one side will be up, and if it's light, the other side will be down. This you know. And who can carry how much, you discuss it. Now we will find that how much can Simran carry. Simran is a girl. Okay, and I will read the story. Simran's father needs to move some things from their store of their house to kitchen. You know, everybody, you will store the things in a separate place or a storeroom, and whenever you need the things, you will carry that to the kitchen. So same is going on in the Simran's house, and Simran wants to help her father. Simran wants to help her father, so that if Simran now want to help her father, then what she can carry? That is the question. What Simran can carry? So now Simran carries what? She will carry, for example, if you go to a market with your father or mother, if your mother purchase the so many things, do you all at least carry 1 kg of potatoes with your hand? Yes, you can carry 1 kg of potato or 1 kg of salt. 1 kg weight you can carry. If you do this, now how much can Simran carry? Simran's father needs to move some things from storeroom, so that time she want to help her father. In the picture you can see the Simran's father is carrying the things, and also Simran is also helping to his father. Now can you guess? Here the picture, so many weights are given. Weight 2 kg, 1 kg. Okay, sugar. He is the Simran's father, and here is the Simran. So we will move to the next page. Page number is 23. Guess which bag Simran can carry. She can carry which bag? Salt bag she can carry. 1 kg weight she can carry. And guess who can carry what? Her father can carry a big. Okay, this bag he can carry. Her mother, whose mother? Simran's mother. Simran's mother can carry this. Okay, younger sister means small sister. She can carry this. There's no little lighter things she can carry. Can Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which ones? You have to say which ones she can carry. She can carry the what? 1 kg of salt, 1 kg of sugar. Simran can carry. Which bags can you carry? Guess. Can you means you. If you are going to carry which bags, you will carry which is easy to carry for you. Okay, a small quantity of things, a small quantity of weight things you all can carry, isn't it? Yes, if you have the lighter things, you all can carry. Now ant, you have seen the ants. I can carry a grain from the sugar bigger than myself, means small. small one grain of a sugar the ant will carry. Match the picture of the animals with the things it can. Okay, now one more thing, donkey is used to carry the heavy materials or heavy objects or heavy things. The donkey will help lots in the for so many situations. The donkey will help. So now first one is crow. Crow can carry the leaf, isn't it? Because it has that much only capacity to carry. Next one, elephant. See this. This will carry what? Leaves. Now elephant. Does elephant carry lots of heavy things? No. It will also carry a little lighter. So it can carry the wood. Now donkey. I told you donkey is used to carry the heavy objects or heavy things. So donkey can carry the sugar, bag of a sugar. Now dog can carry the ball, isn't it? Dog can carry the ball. You have seen in many pictures dog carries the ball. So kids, it's a weight means you know how we will measure. You everybody saw the tarazu, takkade. It's called in Hindi tarazu. So weighing machine, in English weighing machine. The machine is used to check the weight of the object. So you have to, whenever you will go to the market with your parents, check how much kgs potato you will get, how much rupees they take, how much rupees they return. These all the things you have to observe with your parents. Whenever you will go to the market, you all don't go just go and time pass. You have to inquire them. You have to ask the questions. You have to bargain. Bargaining means if somebody tells potato is for 40 rupees kg, you have to ask at least will you make a less of 2 rupees, 3 rupees. You have to bargain. You have to learn the make a bargaining, and you have to know the knowledge of money. How much money you will give and how much money your parent is going to take back. That's also you all have to learn. And if you have a time, you go once with your parents for a market, visit the market and ask them how much money does they get and how much does money they will get back, how much they can take the monies. So kids, you have to know the marketing knowledge. You have to know the knowledge of purchasing, selling. So many practical knowledge you have to be need. And this your math is not going to help only for your exam purpose. It is going to help for your life, for your real life. To this apply in your life, in your real life, and learn from that. Once you have to, this may be, take it as an activity. Once go visit with market with your parents and don't go alone. Go with your parent, visit the market and learn the practical knowledge of buying, selling, or buying, or go and purchase some things. Okay, at least it may be at 10 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees, no matter of money, but you understand the system of purchasing and how to calculate, how to measure the objects. That's important for you all. So learn that. So kids, we will stop our class today here and we will meet in our next class. Till that, have a nice day. Take care. Bye kids.